I'm affirmations for success, confidence, self-love and happiness. Try it for 21 days. Let's go. I'm a magnet for success, attracting abundance and prosperity into my life effortlessly. I'm confident in my abilities, fearlessly pursuing my dreams and achieving greatness. I'm worthy of love and respect, embracing self-love as the foundation of my happiness. I'm the architect of my destiny, shaping a future filled with joy and fulfillment. I am resilient, overcoming challenges with grace and emerging stronger than ever. I'm surrounded by positivity, attracting positive people and opportunities into my life. I'm a beacon of light, radiating happiness and spreading joy wherever I go. I'm constantly growing and evolving, reaching new heights of personal development. I'm in control of my thoughts, channeling them towards positivity and success. I'm grateful for the abundance in my life, acknowledging and appreciating every blessing. I'm fearless in the face of adversity, turning obstacles into stepping stones for my success. I'm a source of inspiration to others, motivating them to pursue their own dreams. I'm kind and compassionate, nurturing a loving relationship with myself and others. I'm a powerful creator, manifesting my dreams through intention and action. I'm confident in my unique gifts and talents, using them to make a positive impact on the world. I'm aligned with my purpose, living a life that is true to my authentic self. I'm filled with inner peace, letting go of negativity and embracing tranquility. I'm a master of time management, using each moment wisely to achieve my goals. I'm a magnet for opportunities, seizing them with enthusiasm and determination. I'm open to change, embracing growth as a constant and exciting part of my life. I'm the captain of my destiny, sailing towards a future filled with success, confidence, self-love, and happiness. Thank you for joining me in this empowering journey of self-affirmation. Remember, your words shape your reality. Affirm yourself daily with these 21 powerful I am affirmations. Embrace success, confidence, self-love, and happiness. If you're ready to transform your life, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with those seeking positivity and growth. Let's uplift each other on this remarkable journey towards a fulfilling and joyful life. Thank you again. It's the Davian here on Dare Your Lifestyle.